There are typically three types of cuts that occur on a weight suit: complete separation, the two flaps are entirely separated; the central cut, the cut is located in the center of the weight suit; the surface removal, a portion of the surface is removed without creating a hole that goes all the way through. Before starting the repair, work in a well-ventilated area, ideally outdoors, and wear protective gloves to avoid skin contact with the adhesive. Make sure the weight suit is completely dry and clean. For better results, you can wipe the area with a bit of acetone to remove any dirt or grease. Apply a thin layer of neoprene adhesive to both sides of the cut. Let the glue dry for about 5 minutes until it becomes tacky. Then carefully align and press the two sides together, holding them firmly for a few minutes. Allow the repair to cure at least 12 to 24 hours before using the weight suit again to ensure maximum strength.